Each morning by your grace I rise to seek your face, to hear your voice. Your word becomes my daily bread, the path of life before me spread. Though weakness often fills my heart, your strength sustains each fragile part. When trials come and burdens weigh, you give me grace for every day. Strengthened day by day, Lord, by your mighty power, kept within your love through every passing hour, rooted in your truth, growing by your grace, until I stand complete before your glorious face. Strengthened day by day, walking in your light, trusting in your promises through every darkest night. Teach me to follow Christ alone, to seek the treasures of your throne. Transform my heart and make me new, that all I am would honor you. Help me in your love and persevere, with eyes of faith and heart sincere, until the race on earth is run, and I rejoice before your Son. Not by my strength, not by my might, but by your Spirit day and night. You are the vine, I am the branch. Apart from you, I cannot stand. Strengthened day by day, Lord, by your mighty power, kept within your love through every passing hour, rooted in your truth, growing by your grace, until I stand complete before your glorious face. Strengthened day by day, faithful to the end, guided by the shepherd, Savior, Lord, and friend. Day by day you make me strong, day by day you lead me on, till I see